YouTube Shorts are going to be massive in 2024. Several channels like these are already blowing up, but the strategies that worked a year ago are no longer going to get you the views. That's why I'm going to start a brand new Shorts channel and show you the exact steps that you need to take to create a viral Shorts channel of your own. Make sure you watch till the end because I'm also going to show you how to make these shorts in minutes without having to strip, record, or edit any content. Step 1 is understanding what's trending. For this, either open YouTube in incognito mode or open a Google guest page. This gives us a whole new profile on YouTube and the algorithm doesn't have any data about us because we're not logged in. This means that it will show us the videos that are popular right now and not just videos that cater to our specific interests and patterns on YouTube. Next, you need to scroll for some time to see what is performing well on Shorts right now. And no, I'm not saying that you should get entertained by this. You just need to see the niches that are being pushed out to you the most. I scrolled for a few hours and there were some very clear trends. So I went ahead and noted down the niches that appeared most often on my feed. And these were football, basketball, travel, gym, and gaming. Now this in itself should give you an idea of what niches you want to cover, but let's take it a step further. I want to create faceless videos, so my work in terms of production is minimal. I don't want to record anything. And one of the niches that stood out for me in this area was travel. And I actually saw quite a few videos that look like this.
I'm going to share with you my top 5 places to visit in Europe.
Now this is good, and I'm going to go ahead with travel as my niche of choice. It's super easy to create faceless content in, and it is super popular. But we need to narrow it down further to ensure our content also gets reach. Now once we have the broad niche, we need to narrow it down so we can eliminate competition. And to do this, a great idea is to combine two popular niches together to create something that doesn't have a lot of content in it right now. For example, I'm going to take the travel niche and the listicle niche to create my own version of top 5 places in different categories. Now before we get down to creating our shorts, let's look at what others are doing in this particular niche. This helps us scope out any competition and understand what our shorts need to look like, plus what the quality benchmark should be like. We have to see if there is any competition, and if there is, we will see what they're doing and what is going well for them, so we know where to start. I'll search on YouTube for 5 best places and then go to the shorts section. Here I will try to find the competition. After a good 34 minutes, I found almost no competition in this space. The only channel I found that is doing something similar to my idea is this channel. The quality of the shorts is not that good, and I'm sure I can do better. So this is the niche that I'm going for. Now let's get down to creating our shorts. When you're trying to create a viral shorts channel, quantity is super important, which means you need to publish at least one short every day. So you need a process in place that will help you create quickly and easy. Doing it manually is not an option because that would mean scripting, recording my footage and voiceover and editing on my own. Thankfully, I found an AI tool that does all of this in minutes. It's called InVideo AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a short using it in under 5 minutes. First, I will go to ai.invideo.io. Next, I will type the prompt in the box here. I will type, create a 30-second YouTube short about best places to visit before winter ends. American Meal voiceover. Now, when I click enter, InVideo AI will do its job. Then it will ask you which type of audience you want, how you want it to look and feel, and of course the platform, which in this case is YouTube Shorts. In a few minutes, it will then create the whole short. Let's take a look.
Swap skies for skates in New York City's iconic Central Park. Not a fan of the cold? Escape to sunny California's Death Valley, surprisingly alive with vibrant winter blooms.
But I don't really feel like the American Meal voiceover is working in this niche, so I will change the type of voiceover I want. I will use this command box and I will type change voiceover to American Female. Now let's see how it looks.
Swap skies for skates in New York City's iconic Central Park. Not a fan of the cold? Escape to sunny California's Death Valley. Surprisingly alive.
This voice fits so much better. Now I will tell it to simplify the words used in the script because we want the short to appear to a broader audience, meaning there shouldn't be a language barrier. Let's see how it looks.
Or change skis for ice skates in New York City's famous Central Park. Don't like the cold? Run away to sunny California's Death Valley. It's full of bright flowers in winter.
And that is pretty good. It rewrote the entire script without me having to do anything. Now, if you want to make more specific edits to your video, you can click on this edit option and this pop-up window will appear. You can then change the stock media used in the video, or you can change the script if you want to rewrite something. I want to change the outro of the short, so I will finish it with the question that can get viewers to comment on the short. Now click on apply and InVideo AI will change everything. And let's see how it looks.
That'll make you gasp. Would you visit these places one day?
That was awesome. Now go ahead, click on export to export the video. Keep in mind that you will have a watermark with the free plan. So I went ahead and got the $20 paid plan, and I suggest you do the same if you are serious about using my strategy. I already created shorts like this and ran this channel for 7 days to try this niche, and the results blew my mind. So if you want to see what I did in those 7 days, go ahead and watch this video.